Good morning, students. This is PN Jha welcomes you in the e-learning class of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. My dear students, as we know, the school is closed due to excessive spread of coronavirus till 18th of April. Time is passing day by day, and we the teachers and students facing adverse situation in our life. Education is a continuous process, and when our school is closed, it discontinues, and our student faces great problem, and therefore there is only way to continue our teaching and learning process is to connect our students online. And this is why we have started online education, and I hope our students will cooperate and start learning by taking aid of our online teaching. Students, we will try to start our syllabus and help you in the way of learning, and therefore here I am going to start the new lesson named as synthetic fibers and plastic. Students, we wear clothes. Clothes are made of fabrics, and fabrics are made of fibers. So before to know about synthetic fibers, we must know about fibers. Fibers is a thread-like structure which is strong and flexible enough to be converted into fabrics. Students, in our earlier classes, we have studied about animal fibers. Fibers are of two types: natural fibers and synthetic fibers. There are two types of fibers: natural fiber fibers and synthetic fibers. Natural fiber and synthetic fibers. Student, natural fibers are also of two types. Natural fibers are of two types. One, plant fiber, and other, animal fibers. Plant fibers and animal fibers. Plant fibers are obtained from plant. For example, cotton fiber obtained from cotton plants, jute fiber obtained from jute plants, nylon fiber obtained from the talc of flax trees. On the other hand, animal fibers are of two types, silk and wool. Wool is obtained from sheep, yak, camel, rabbits, and silk is obtained from cocoons of silk worm. But the production of natural fiber is not so enough that can fulfill our requirement of such a huge population, and therefore our scientists have been trying their best to produce fibers in the laboratory, in the industries. The fibers produced by our scientists are known as man-made fiber or synthetic fibers. So the students, synthetic fibers are obtained through different chemical processes in the industries, or you can say fibers obtained through different chemical processes in the industries are known as synthetic fibers. For example, rayon, nylon, terylene, dacron, acrylics, these are synthetic fibers which are prepared in the industries, and these fibers plays very important role in our life because these fibers are used widely in making of different useful commodities, different useful things in our life, and therefore we will have to learn about the process, manufacturing, properties and uses of these fibers in this lesson, along with plastics, types of plastics and their uses. So the students, we will meet next day with some specific informations, knowledge related to the synthetic fibers and plastics. Thank you. See you next day.